You won't believe what happened to this rear end, but you'll love how we fixed it. 20 centimeters. Cracked, scratched. Most shops would tell you, replace the bumper. We don't waste money here. We fix it. No BS, just real skills. Step 1. We start by welding the crack. This is plastic stapling. It pulls the broken bumper back together and adds strength before bodywork. Step 3. We're using a flap disc to level out the welded area. Flap discs are fast but aggressive, so stay light on pressure, just enough to smooth it out without gouging the plastic. Step 4. Fine sanding with an orbital sander. This step evens out the surface and blends the repair into the rest of the bumper. With the surface sanded smooth, it's time for filler. A light skim coat will take care of any low spots and give us a perfect finish. Before applying filler, we mix it with hardener. The right ratio means strong adhesion and fast curing. We're applying 2 thin coats of filler. Thin layers reduce shrinkage and make sanding easier. while keeping the repair strong. After filler dries, we sand it by hand with a block. Block sanding keeps the surface flat and helps blend it perfectly with the bumper. You know it's done when the surface feels perfectly smooth by hand. No highs, no lows, no ripples. Always check with light reflections. If it looks flat, it's ready for primer. After primer, we go straight to base coat and clear coat. Color blended in, clear coat laid down smooth for that factory shine. All right, now let's take a look at the final result. Here's what it looked like before we touched it, and now, total transformation. Clean finish, perfect lines, just like it rolled off the showroom floor. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next project.